What is up, friends? This is how we start our day today. Hope you guys are having a good day. This is where we start off our day. Cars somewhat being started to take apart, but we decided to take a little break from our little activities because we have something that's been, we're draining the cooler right now. We have something that's been long overdue for a while. My boy Jairo's car. How do you guys like Jairo on my wheels though? I let him borrow my wheels. How do you guys like his car on my wheels? Let me know. Let me know in the comments if you guys fuck with the wheels. What's up?
You're about to slap it on.
Oh fuck.
Oh, crazy, crazy.
Today's the day, boys. Today is the day. Hey, bud, what's that?
I know.
Is the center though?
I don't know, I can't tell. No. Let me see. Follow this line.
Oh yeah, fucking stupid.
Stupid.
Alright, hey, hit the center. Hit the center real quick. Oh, crazy!
It's cool.
Okay, it's cool. Okay.
You have a card or what?
Yeah, that was my plan, way, but you took it too fast. Hit me up for your sticker needs. Yeah, that's cool. You see?
That's right.
So 2019 season is over. Shout out to Jairo for ending my season. So right now I got a few plans. One of them being I need to replace this because this isn't okay because nothing's really secured because this is really fucked up and broken. So my first attempt today is we're gonna do a bunch of other stuff while it's taking while it's taken apart. But first things first, we just need to remove this whole thing off. So I don't know how that goes, but
Let's get it, Tones. Okay.
but you busted out a toast.
Part 1 of 350Z surgery.
Oh, yes,
That was fucking strong.
Oh,
You let me get these two.
Oh.
Oh yeah.
well, the hood latch is gone. It's out. It is a cool, like, I don't know, it's probably like the whole cable all the way to the front. It's probably like a pound or something.
Ora, yeah. Ora.
What?
What is it, a 10?
Yeah. But it's cool, I got it.
You got it. I'm gonna have mine ready though.
Hit up my boy for them battery installs, you know?
Fuck yeah. Those pictures we?
Yeah, no, you seen them? I'll show you right now. I'll show you guys my spacers right now. Oh, fuck. Well, that was gonna come out.
From the back, you know? From the back of the fan? Over here. Oh no, that's just disconnect. Never mind.
So there's the fans. Damn, this is pretty heavy.
Oh, let me see.
It's pretty heavy.
Ora, la verga.
You can take this
Hey, you
off.
can't delete it?
Hold it right here.
Hola.
You just take the radiator right now.
This is like what? 10 pounds?
Pretty heavy. Oh, I know why. Give me the gun. Has it 10 mil or what?
Yeah.
No, it's 12. Take it off him.
Oh, you can't put this one on though.
Put the one from. Yes. Yes. Yeah, that's right. Insert me. Forgot to take this shit off from AC.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, they should just. Oh, foot. They should just come on.
Seems like it's like stuck from the bottom, can I?
Yeah, there you go.
So you need to take off the condenser.
Oh yeah?
Look at that Mishimoto radiator.
Mishimoto makes some beast ass fucking.
Look how light this is, though. Like, scary? Like, it's pretty light, huh? It's lighter than my fan.
Yeah,
It's lighter than my fan. Oh, damn. Well, handle Yepes. Just rip the one over there. You see it? The zip tie?
The zip tie. Yeah.
I'm gonna hold it while you rip it?
Yeah, well, give me the scissors. Yeah, something.
Did you go cut your hair with?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Fuck. I thought it was just like that with the whole front end is deleted.
Well, this is my aftermarket pulley.
What else?
AMS crank pulley. So probably the next time we're probably just gonna finish cleaning this up and then see what I'm gonna do next. But what are the things I do plan to do? Like, well, obviously since we started ripping this apart, I'm gonna take off the AC compressor, the whole AC system, and for these cars, I know I'll show you guys next, like in the next video. But for these cars, it's not that easy to not run it. So I'm gonna show you guys how to run without an AC and how to run your belt and which belt to get. So I'll show you guys that, guys.
We're putting nitrous on
Well,
it.
the next time it comes back to life, what's the craziest thing it's gonna have?
I don't know. It's gonna be way lighter than this.
Yeah.
It's not gonna be that much
The
crazy.
weight reduction, pretty
Yeah.
much.
By next December, once it goes down again, it's gonna be a whole different, whole different fucking beast again.
I wonder how all our cars are gonna be, but
Probably the same. No, you're just gonna have
maybe yours.
But what if we don't even own the same cars though?
Yeah, I know. That's
Oh,
what I'm
yeah.
saying. Like,
Oh no, I know I am because I don't have a choice because I don't think anybody else is gonna buy this. But
Well, I mean, well, that makes both of us.
The spaceships of today.
so I don't know what this is, but it came out. More AC line stuff.
Ah, crazy.
I'm just kind of cleaning it up right now. Nothing. I'm not gonna do anything too crazy today. I think I'm just gonna kind of clean it up and then so I can get a pretty good view of what I'm gonna do. You know. So one of the things I'm probably gonna do is just start taking off like the belt. Yeah, I don't even know what this is, but like I'm gonna show you guys what exactly this is for. Most of these are off my car, if not all of them. But don't tell me that weight reduction doesn't do anything because there's a cool amount of weight in here. Like watch. Okay, look, check this out. This is a tensioner for your guys' HR. So when you guys get this, it has this right here between these two holes. So hold this so that it doesn't compress it. This is an automatic tensioner, so it automatically just sets itself. This is for one of these. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pull this up so that I can line these holes up, and my boy's gonna insert this right here so that it can pull the tension off. You know?
I knew that already.
So, but it's kind of hard. Come up here like this. There you go. So you can see.
The gym life.
There you go. See? It's not that hard. Now we can take off the belt pretty easily. Look how crazy this looks. Back up here. Like look how crazy that shit looks. Like it's just the engine right there, just chilling.
Oh, it's just crazy.
Fuck, we are so not qualified for this, bro. But I'm gonna get fucking down.
YouTube qualified.
We're gonna get fucking down, bro. Just trying to clog it up.
Can't get dirt, get in there.
Comment who you guys think is gonna win. Yepes is gonna drive Jairo's car, and Jairo's gonna drive Yepes' car. So let me know. If y'all didn't see the first races when it went down, I'll put it up in the corner. But this is round 2, but opposite drivers.
Hey, let's see who has a real driver model.
Bro, if I beat you with your own car, well, that's bad.
Well, then because your car's running better now, huh?
Yeah.
Nah, I'm gonna
You wanna
There you go, boys. Driver mod is everything.
Oh, crazy!
Driver mod, my boy.
Look how short Jairo looks in the G37. Jairo got a fresh lineup. Jairo got a fade. Freshly tattooed. Fresh. Gotta get the new wash. Woo-hoo-hoo. Posted out here with the boys, freshly washed. Look how good Jairo looks with my wheels though. Like, why does he look so good in them? Had to go cup some food. But freshly washed, freshly washed. Yeah, some tunas. What we got right here? No way. I got all the whips freshly washed. Someone's being fucking rude over there.
That's the guy I'm gonna race.
You're gonna race him?
Yeah. I'm gonna race him on the weekend.
Alright, if he's gonna race, I'm gonna put the clip after this one, Jairo. But what happened there? What happened there when you raced Yepes?
Homie! Oh no, the homie doesn't know how to drive my car.
You! He's saying that you don't know how to drive his car.
I know it. Oh, my car?
His.
Oh, yeah. Yours.
Mine always gets him in the top end. All the E's. You got a D, hit me up.
Your clutch is just, hey, Nat. But you know why? Because this time I followed you, way. Last time I followed you.
They're butthurt again. They're butthurt.
Car, RPM go lower, way. Because
Put a show it, put a show it.
I was going off base my footing.
Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and show you how to bust now with some G35 Essentials. You got your bucket right here to wash, your cleaning surprise. You got gas tank in case your thing doesn't accurately read it. We got a jack right here. We got some oil in the back because you DE boys need it. We got a grinder right here because you never know when you're gonna need to cut something up. We got the 805 hat ready in case we need to bust it out. We got a toolbox in case the DE breaks down. And we got a sweater for those cold times that you DE boys be waiting on the side of the road to get picked up because your car broke down. And those would be your G35 Essentials. Plus the Tunas sticker. You can never forget the Tunas sticker. Hit me up if you're trying to cop. Everybody's dipping. Look how clean that shit looks though. Everybody's dipping. Let me get in my car. Oh, what the fuck? I think, boys, I think it's time. It's that time of the day. They used to see Infinity. I don't know what happened now. Now it's just a design, huh? Alright, thank you guys so much for watching. We really appreciate it. Follow Tunas on IG. Tunas.
El Vato Zoner.
Vato Zoner.
Oh, Vato Zoners, bro.
Videos exposing me, man. Okay. I work at Panda, y'all.
At Target.